Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called polynomials. The given question is write the coefficients of x to the power 2 in the following, and the given expression is pi upon 2 into x to the power 2 plus x. So guys, let us see how we can answer this question. Here question has given us this expression pi upon 2 into x to the power 2, pi upon 2 into x to the power 2 plus x, and question is asking us to find the coefficient of x to the power 2, to find the coefficient of x to the power 2. So guys, this is very easy to answer, but before answering, let us try to understand the definition of coefficient. If you look here onto the screen, I have posted the definition of coefficient. What does it mean by coefficient? A coefficient is a number that is attached to a variable in a given equation. A coefficient is a number. It could be any number. A coefficient could be any number which is attached to a variable in a given equation. So if I write 4x, so here coefficient is 4. If I write minus 5t, here the coefficient is minus 5. Or if I write pi t square, here the coefficient of t square is pi. So guys, hope you understood the definition of coefficient. Now let us answer the given question. If we understood the definition of question, we can easily answer the given question within a minute or within a second. Now question has given us this thing, pi upon 2 into x to the power 2 plus x. Now after understanding the definition of the coefficient, anyone can easily say that because coefficient is a number that is attached to a variable. After all, pi by 2 is also a number. So here we can say pi by 2 is the coefficient of x to the power 2. Here the coefficient of x to the power 2 in the given equation is, here the coefficient of x to the power 2 in the given equation is pi upon 2. Guys, this is our answer. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe and let your friends know. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.